Hello and welcome to the channel. This is CBSE Class 6, Chapter 2, The Raven and the Fox. There are 23 marks questions with their answers. Number 1 question, describe the setting of the poem and its importance to the story. The answer is, the poem is set in a forest where the raven is perched on a tree limb holding a morsel, while the fox stands below. This setting is important because the height of the limb makes the morsel unreachable for the fox, prompting him to use flattery as a strategy to trick the raven into dropping it. Question number 2. What does the fox say to flatter the raven, and how does it affect him? The answer is, the fox praises the raven's feathers, calling him a handsome bird, and suggests that if he sings, he could be the king of the birds. This flattery boosts the raven's pride, making him forget his croaking voice and open his beak to sing, causing the morsel to fall. Question number 3. Explain the raven's mistake and its consequence in the poem. The answer is, the raven's mistake is believing the fox's flattery and trying to sing to prove his greatness. His pride leads him to open his beak, causing the morsel to fall. The consequence is that the fox gets the morsel and the raven is left with nothing. Question number 4. How does the fox's cunning nature help him achieve his goal? The answer is, the fox uses his cunning by flattering the raven, praising his appearance, and suggesting he could sing. Knowing the raven's pride, he tricks him into opening his beak, causing the morsel to fall. This clever strategy helps the fox get the food he wants. Question number 5. What is the moral of the poem, and how is it conveyed through the story? The answer is, the moral is to avoid pride and be cautious of flattery. It is conveyed through the raven's loss of the morsel due to his pride and trust in the fox's false praise, and the fox's final words warning against sweet words and pride. Question number 6. What role does pride play in the raven's downfall in the poem? The answer is, pride makes the raven believe he is special and capable of singing beautifully, as suggested by the fox. This leads him to open his beak to sing, forgetting his voice is a croak, causing the morsel to fall and resulting in his downfall. Question number 7. How does the fox use language to trick the raven? Give an example. The answer is, the fox uses flattering language to manipulate the raven's pride. An example is when he says, "Sir Raven, you are a handsome bird," to make the raven feel special, encouraging him to sing and drop the morsel. Question number 8. Why does the raven not see the joke in the poem? Explain. The answer is the raven does not see the joke because he is blinded by fox's flattery and his own pride. He fails to realize the fox is tricking him to get the morsel, believing instead that the praise is genuine, which leads to his mistake. Question number 9. What is personification and how is it used in the poem? Give an example. The answer is personification is giving human qualities to non-human things. In the poem, the raven and fox talk and think like humans. For example, the fox speaks in admiring tones and mocks the raven, showing human-like cunning and speech. Question number 10. What lesson does the fox teach the raven and how does he deliver it? The answer is the fox teaches the raven to ignore flattery and avoid pride. He delivers this lesson by laughing and saying, "Ignore sweet words that make you glow. Pride, my friend, is rather unwise." After tricking the raven into losing the morsel.